guys, good afternoon. Kain tayo. Ayan, dito na ako maglalan sa McDo guys. Ayan. Uy, hindi pa nag-almusal guys, kaya kasama ng tanghalian at saka breakfast. Ang laki ng chicken nila dito sa McDo guys. Tapos ito, take out ko kay Jinjin, chicken billy. Laki ng chicken nila guys. Laki ng chicken nila guys. Minsan-minsan lang ako guys magkain dito sa McDo. Thank you for watching. Good afternoon everyone. Yummy, crispy. Ayan. Kamay na ako kumain kasi kamay. Meron pang burger at saka fries. Ayan tayo guys. Thank you for watching my video. May french fries pa. Soft drinks. Yan lang guys. See you next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Happy Tuesday to all. God bless all. Bye.